we probably have about $850,000 of that is in patient bills.
For several communities, increasing debt and unpaid bills could soon impact emergency medical services, including your own. Several EMS units are deep in debt.
And as Kara Sapida reports, there's concern that someone could call 911 and no one will be able to help.
Patients who use these ambulances will owe nearly $1 million in outstanding bills by the end of this year. Fayette EMS administrators say they can't continue at this rate. Their biggest fear is you'll call 911 and there will be nobody available to respond.
When someone dials 911, there's going to be at least a delay in response, which costs lives. I'm not convinced that hasn't happened yet.
At Fayette County EMS, they're in desperate need of help. So financially strapped, they are losing paramedics and EMTs. They're down multiple ambulances because thousands of patients cannot afford to pay for their ambulance ride. The bills are stacking up. Right
now, we probably have about $850,000 of that is in patient bills.
$850,000 in unpaid bills, and they expect it will be $1 million by 2020.
70% of our population that we cover is either Medicare or Medicaid. Neither of those two products pay the cost of the transport.
And do you think people know that?
No.
Chief Rick Adebato says most patients in Fayette County are choosing low-cost health insurance plans, many of them senior citizens on fixed income who don't know ambulance services are not covered.
Some of these copays are $300, and people are on Social Security in Pierce County. They don't have it. You know, that doesn't include their hospital bill. That doesn't include their food and their rent.
A bipartisan commission created to recommend improvements in emergency services in Pennsylvania released a report last year saying fire and EMS are in a crisis right now. Simply put, EMS is woefully lacking in funding. They went on to say while the General Assembly has worked to address a number of these challenges, more can and must be done.
What is your fear for the future?
Someone's going to dial 911, no one's going to show up.
We need to come up with a sustainable fix for EMS in Fayette County, and then it also needs to be addressed across the state because it's not just us, it's everywhere. And this formula is not working.
Kara Sapida, Channel 11 News.
Now, Ross Travers EMS tells Channel 11 that while they are significantly smaller than Fayette County, they are owed $750,000. And this truly is a situation all across the area, and it is one to be concerned of. So if you would like to read the Commission's recommendations, we have them posted on our WPXI mobile app.